This is the CTG machine which we use in our hospital for doing NST. This is the screen of the machine. Then this green screen shows the event, that is the fetal movement, and the volume and the time also it shows whenever we are doing NST. Then there are two screens for FHR1 and the FHR2. If pregnancy is twin pregnancy is there, then we will see the FHR1 and the FHR2, and at the time of single pregnancy we will see only the FHR1 screen. For the uterine contraction we will see the UA screen, that is between the FHR1 and the FHR2 screen. Then we have two volume control buttons. Then the TOCO button, we always kept TOCO at 20. Then the printing buttons. Then we will put the NST paper over here. We just have to insert this paper. Then the two transducers we have. If there is twin pregnancy, we will use three transducers. Two is ultrasound transducer. This one is the ultrasound transducer, which have the smooth area at the back, and we just have to keep at the curvature of spine or spine curvature of the fetus. Then this is the contraction transducer, which we use to trace the uterine contractions. This one have the rough area at the center. Then this is the event marker we give to the mother to trace the fetal movement manually. Just she have to press this button. Whenever she feels the fetal movement, she just have to tap this button. Then the NST paper for printing the graph of the FHR1, FHR2 and the uterine contraction and the fetal movement. Then this one is the gauze piece, or we can use tissue paper also for wiping the ultrasound gel. Then this one is the ultrasound gel, which we use to hear the sound of the FHR clearly. Then we need these two belts to hold the transducers in a place where we have set that ultrasound transducers or TOCO transducer. Then all this is the article which we use while doing the NST. Let's check out the connection. There are 3 ports for connecting the FHR1, FHR2 and the TOCO. Okay, there is color coding also, so it makes easy to identify the ports. Just we have to plug in. Then we have this port for connecting to the electricity. Then this one port we use to connect the event marker, that is behind the machine. So all this is the setup and the articles which we are using in the while doing the NST. I hope you all understand very well.